Your daddy lied to you about how to make real Louisiana Boudin. If it ain't cased in pig intestines, it ain't real. Today we're going to learn how it's done by the absolute authorities of Louisiana Boudin. I'm going to explain the process in English, and Jourdan's going to follow it with the Cajun French translation.
Allons faire du boudin.
Comeaux starts with a quality cut of pork Boston butt and some pork liver. While they're preparing the meat, they've got the rice cookers going.
Seulement des ingrédients naturels.
Next, they dump their pork into a large pot of hot water.
Là, on va mettre la viande dans la chaudière et on va ajouter l'assaisonnement et les légumes. Juste comme ma grand-mère a fait.
After it's boiled long enough, it should look something like this. Now it's time to separate the meat from the rich, flavorful broth that it helped create.
Et quand c'est tout cuit, on va séparer la viande de la sauce.
They'll dump the meat into this grinder where it's broken down to a fine consistency.
On met tout ça dans le moulin à viande et ajoute les cubes d'oignon.
Time to mix it up. First goes in the rice, then some dried Trinity, now the meat. Engage the mixer, remember that broth, dump it in there too.
Ici, on met le riz, la viande et la sauce dans le brasseur et l'emmener à la fouleuse.
They're going to empty out that mixer, bring it over to the elevator, and dump it into a mechanized funnel. This is pig intestine, the perfect natural animal-based casing that Cajuns have been using for generations. They're going to scoop in a little bit of water so it doesn't tear when they fit it over the meat tube. Boudin filling is shot out in the perfect increments. It's briefly spun before it's racked onto these metal bars. The finished Boudin is refrigerated overnight and packaged to get ready to head out into stores or shipped out by us to homes across the country.
Et ça, c'est le boudin louisianais.
If you want some Boudin, you can get it from us.